जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान. Now, where we left last week was when Bharatji had got a message from Guru Vashisht to return to Ayodhya as soon as possible. The messengers were instructed that they were not to tell anybody about any happening, including Bharat, about what had happened in Ayodhya. The only message that was supposed to be conveyed was कि आप शीघ्र आप वापस अयोध्या आ जाइए. And when he received this message from his guru, there was no second thought. He did not even think once or twice, kuch nahi. He immediately got back onto the fastest horse and cutting through rivers and mountains, he reached Ayodhya. The desperation to go home, and he knew that something was amiss. He was already feeling, he already knew in his heart. See, it is very easy for us to know what is happening around us, to our loved ones, because we are all connected. We are all one single entity. The thing is, our frequencies, our vibrations have been subdued so much by the veils of our vices that we are unable to actually, sometimes we are unable to feel, sometimes we are unable to catch. But if we are pure, like right now, Ma Ganga must be, right? Right now, Rishikesh is the place to be in because the weather is so beautiful. Ma Ganga is calm and quiet. She is not gushing and rushing. There is no rain, there is no mud, there is no muck, there is no kolahal, there is no restlessness in her. If you throw a coin, most probably you'll be able to see it through if you go a little up. So the minute all the upheavals disappear, the base is clear. And when one is able to see the base, one knows that there are no two, there is only one. And of course, when there is only one, won't you feel the hurt which is caused to somebody else? So Bharat already knew कि कुछ तो है. And he rushed. And when he entered Ayodhya, he got a very eerie feeling. Places speak. The air and the wind and the atmosphere speaks. The subtler you become, the quieter you become, the easier it is to feel the surrounding. And he felt a rush of pain in his heart. Whom would he have asked? Because nobody was willing to look him into the eye. The Ayodhya Vasis who would rush to him with accolades and hugs were just shying off. They were not even looking at him. They were not looking into his eyes. इसीलिए कहते हैं ना, when somebody's heart is pure, how do you know कि something is not amiss? You will know it only when the person has the ability to look you into the eye and talk. नहीं तो आँख चुराई जाती है, right? The eyes will go here, the eyes will go there. Eyes are a mirror to our hearts, right? They reveal everything. So they were just not looking him into the eye because there was this doubt about whether he was in the entire planning of this malice caused by his mother. And we had talked, right? There were 4 types of people there. There were some who said, Nahi, Bharat cannot do this. There were some who were talking against Bharat. There were some who just were standing there and listening, and there were some who closed their ears and ran away. And there were some who were able to defend Bharat. And those are the friends we need. In our absence, they are able to say, Nahi, there must be a reason for the gossip. ऐसा वो नहीं कर सकते. Be very wise and know your surroundings. So many of them, they were not looking at Bharat in the eye. And any which ways, There was this Kop Bhavan in Ayodhya, right? Kop Bhavan kya hota hai? We have different rooms in our house, right? We have bathrooms, we have kitchens, we have separate rooms for each member, depending. So various rooms for various activities. However, do we have a separate room to get angry in? It's very essential, right? Kop Bhavan. And all the palaces of that time had this room. कि अगर आपका mood खराब हो, you want to yell and you want to shout. You have some malice in your heart, go to this room, close the door. Let the negativity be contained in that. Let your aura be contained in that. Don't bring it out to the entire house. And we have seen, right? Maybe this is a repetition, but whenever we get angry, we energize a spot, right? We energize a spot. जिस spot पे हम खड़े होते हैं ना, चिल्लाना शुरू करते हैं, उसी spot पे बार बार आके चिल्लाते हैं. Because the entire area gets energized. And it pulls us again and again. So कहते हैं ना, when you get angry, leave that place. When you get angry, don't say anything. Count till 10. So they had a separate room. And this room, the Kop Bhavan, had never been opened. Ever since the castle was put in place. And when that door opened, and when what happened, when Ma Kekeyi slithered like a snake, right? And it is said that these two bones were like the fangs of a snake. One asking for Ram to go to the jungle for 14 years, and the other asking for Sri Bharat to become the king. You know, the fangs of the snake. And she was literally slithering like a snake in there. So the room had opened, and the door was open, and the vibration of that negative energy had spread across the kingdom. Bharat felt as if he was walking through a graveyard. Everybody was beaten and broken. Hota hai na? When you lose something so dear, like Ram, socho Ram ही खो गए, तो फिर क्या रह गया? There's nothing. We are, what is the difference between Shiv and us? हम शव है, वो शिव है. बस. Because he has Ram in him. And what is the journey between becoming from Shav to Shiv is Ram. So Ram was taken away. So they were like walking dead. The plants had withered. They were not bearing fruit. The animals were not eating and drinking. They're just sitting by. Tears in every eye. कुछ कहने और सुनने को बचा ही नहीं था. And Bharat said to Shatrughan, what has happened here? Let's go and find out. And amongst all this, one place which was a little different, which had a devilish shine, was Ma Kekeyi's palace. Everybody was withered and broken, but Ma Kekeyi's palace was ablaze, as if somebody was rejoicing after burning the entire forest. So now Bharat looked around. Nobody is willing to stomp. Nobody is looking him into the eye. He said, maybe Raja Dashrath must be in Ma Kekeyi's palace. Let me go and talk to both of them as to what has happened. And now Bharat hurriedly enters the palace. And where everywhere there are lamps which are not lit, Kekeyi Ma's palace is ablaze with beauty. He does not understand what is it. The stark difference between the environment of the entire city and this one particular palace. He walks in and what does he see? Ma Kekeyi is dressed in the best, waiting for her son to come. The minute he comes, she has this huge thal in front of him. She she does tilak, she garlands him, she hugs him. Come, Bharat, come, Bharat. I have done everything for you. सब करके रखा है. You don't have to do anything now. Everything has been accomplished. Now Bharat was very uneasy. And Ma Kekeyi saw it. Of course, she's a mother. She knows what's going on. Bharat says, she asks, is everything okay in my father's house? Kekeya kingdom? सब ठीक तो है? Why are you looking so low and beaten and broken? He says, no, everything is fine. But now you tell me, is everything fine in my house? Is everybody okay in Ayodhya? Where is Raja Dashrath? Where is Ram Bhaiya? Where is Ma Sita? Where is everybody else? Why is everybody so beaten and broken? Why is everybody so desperately looking for something they have lost? Why are the eyes so dry? They look like walking skeletons. क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे? अरे कुछ नहीं. There was a slight issue. Yes, there was. I won't say that, said KK Ma, with, just reassuring her son, come, sit. But you know what? Manthara, she helped me. Together, we accomplished and all is sorted. But there was a small hiccup, nothing much. But something happened and unfortunately, we had to lose the king. Bharat was like, what? Yes. Don't worry. The king is no more. He lived his life to the fullest. Bharat could not finish this. He did not let his mother finish the sentence and he broke down into tears. Why? What happened to my father? Where is my father? I could not meet him. I could not see him. I could not talk to him. And the saddest bit is, before going away, he did not hand me over to Ramji. Ki Bharat ko, now I am putting Bharat in your care. This could not be done. He just broke down and he started crying, lamenting loudly. And then he gathered himself and he said, where is Bhaiya Ram? Because I'll go to Bhaiya Ram. Oh, that also has been taken care of. Now Bharat looked at her and she, with great joy, with a sense of accomplishment, ki maine kar diya Bharat, maine kar diya. She narrated the entire tale of what had conspired. From the beginning to the end, from the beginning to the journey to how Ram, Lakshman and Ma Sita left for Vanvas for 14 years. Bharat ji sab bhul gaye. At that moment, he forgot about his father's passing away also. He said, what have you done? Which species do you belong to? Literally in so many words. That there is nobody who despises Sri Ram. And kya hua ma? Karuna kahan chali gayi? Aapka pyar kahan chala gaya? What about this change in you? Aapka dil patthar ka kaise ho gaya ma? कि माँ का दिल ही ऐसा होता है ना, वो पत्थर का कभी नहीं होता. Now we know the secret. She held the secret. And for 1 minute, if we assume कि probably there was no secret. There was no Ram KK Samvad. There was no Dev Satta. It was just a moment of weakness when KK gave in to her lower tendencies. हो सकता है. More so in Kalyug and very less in Treta. Right? Abhi to we see so much happening and we wonder कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या? In Kalyug anything is possible. It is not unusual what has happened. But in Treta Yuga, what was conspiring at that time in Ayodhya was not imaginable. He said, what kind of a mother are you? Because there was no difference between Ram and Bharat for Ma KK. He said, look at me, Ma, look at me. I was born to Raja Dashrath, and we know the glories of Raja Dashrath, right? My brother is Sri Ram. My bhabhi is Sita Ma. My mothers are Kaushalya and Sumitra. But look at my fate. I was born to you. And you used me as a tool to harm everybody. You, to save the leaf, right? You cut the plant. ये क्या करा आपने? I wish I was never born to you. Or you would have destroyed me killed me the minute I was born. इसे कहते हैं किस्मत. And it is me, it is not you. Because of me, everything has happened. Now, why was I ever born? He wept and he cried, and Shatrughan was standing right next to him. Shatrughan was burning with fire. कि ऐसा माँ कैसे कर सकती है? And उतनी देर में who came? Manthara. It is said that she was a hunchback, dressed, and she was looking like a monkey, dressed in the heaviest of jewels. And Shatrughan, though it is not right to hurt a woman, could not control his temper, and he kicked her on her hunchback. She fell down, got injured, her teeth broke, and she started shouting, कि भलाई का तो जमाना ही नहीं है, what have I done? I've done nothing wrong. And Shatrughan could not control himself, and he dragged her by her hair and he threw her out of the palace till Bharat came and stopped him. Because Bharat का दिल बहुत नरम था. He said, Shatrughan, let it be. जाने दो, यहाँ से चलो. Let's go, let's go. Now, Kaikeyi Ma had never imagined such a reaction from her son. उनको तो लगा था Bharat will come, he'll be very happy. She was in a fix. She did not know. One moment of weakness. Now over here, the children asked one very beautiful question. They said ki, Auntie, if Kaikeyi Ma would have refused when Ramji asked, and had Kaikeyi Ma not asked for these boons, would Ramji still go to the jungle? See, with or without Kaikeyi, he would have gone. जो लिखा होता है ना, वो होता है. एंड कोई ना कोई निमित्त बन जाता है. केकेई माँ नहीं होती तो कोई और कारण होता. तो this thing we can take in both ways. कि we should never gloat if we are able to contribute to the success of anybody, because हम होते या ना होते, if it was destined for him to be successful, he would have been successful. And if by mistake, because of a moment of weakness, we become the Karan like Ma Kaikeyi for the downfall of somebody also, after a point, forgive yourself. ये नियति है. You think we are better than and bigger than Shrishti and Shrishti Rachayata? Had he not wished this to happen, would it happen? Had he not wished somebody's demise by our hands, or had it not wished somebody's progress by our hands, it would have happened. अर्जुन को रामकृष्ण बोलते हैं ना, तुम लड़ो या ना लड़ो, ये तो ऑलरेडी मरे हुए. तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि तुम रथ पे नहीं बैठोगे, तुम जाके गांडीव नहीं उठाओगे तो कुरुक्षेत्र का युद्ध नहीं होगा? ये तुम्हारी गलत फहमी है. We are insignificant in this greater scheme of things. We are more insignificant than we imagine. So it is a message for us कि don't applaud yourself or gloat if God has made you the reason for somebody else's success. And don't beat yourself repeatedly if a mishap has happened. Repent and move on. Because अगर प्रभु नहीं चाहते तो एक पत्ता भी नहीं हिलता है सृष्टि में. जो हुआ, जैसा वो चाहते थे, वैसा ही हुआ. आगे बढ़ो. And see, if we are able to accept it, but then we'll say, no, people will do a lot of wrong things and blame. See, that is different. Right? वो सब, मतलब there is a lot of tarak and vitark and agar nahi. But don't hold on to anything too tight. Not the good, not the bad. What is done, what is over is finished. Done and dusted. कल बीत गई सो बात गई, आज नया दिन है, वापस शुरू करूंगी. खत्म. सो माँ केकेई अगर नहीं करती तो ये नहीं होता. ऑफ कोर्स होता. राम जी को वन जाना था, राम जी को शबरी से मिलना था, राम जी को रावण का उद्धार करना था, राम जी को आश्रम माँ अहिल्या के पहुंचना था. राम तो जाते ही विथ और विदाउट माँ केकेई. And this is a very, very big lesson. And it will and can be a blow on our ego also. कि बस चुप. Now Bharat, going back to Bharat, he just did not know what to do. मतलब just imagine, he is feeling कि now everybody is thinking I am part of this entire plan. मैंने सत्ता के लिए मेरे भाई को और मेरे पिता को. He just did not know. He ran to Ma Kaushalya immediately without thinking. Ma Kaushalya is sitting with all the other queens, tears flowing down. But the minute she saw Bharat, it is said that Shatrughan resembles Lakshmanji and Bharatji is a replica, duplicate of Sri Ram. She saw, "Arey, Bharat aa gaya, ye to mera Ram aa gaya." And she got up. No thought, no negativity, no doubt. How pure. After all, she was Ma Kaushalya. She had given birth to Ram. How could she be deluded in any situation? She got up and she rushed. She wanted to just go and hug Bharat. But she fell down. She was broken. She had not eaten anything. She got giddy and she fell down. Bharat rushed to her, picked her up and started sobbing. कि माँ मैंने नहीं किया. आप मानोगे नहीं, कोई नहीं मानेगा. Why would anybody believe it? But it was nothing. I did not do anything. Just imagine. He wants to say कि see, मैंने नहीं किया. I did not know about it at all. माँ he said, don't worry, I know. You come. She hugged him. She made him sit on her lap. Shatrughan ko bhi. All three together burst into tears. See, जिस पे बीतती है ना उसी को पता चलता है. Just imagine what they must be going through. Helplessness at its threshold. And Bharat continued. He said, if you doubt me, Ma, अगर आपको एक बार भी ऐसा लगता है कि I am responsible for this, I had anything to do with this, may I be punished. अब कैसे punished? He's saying कि if you think I had anything to do with this, let me be punished and sent to the greatest of hells. Now, कैसे पापियों के साथ में वो अपने आप की गणना कर रहे हैं? वो बोल रहे हैं कि अगर मैंने कुछ करा है तो मुझे वो सजा मिले जो इन पापियों को मिलती है. Right? And we had heard where Sri Ram was asked to stay, in whose heart. And right now, Bharat is telling us, Tulsi Baba is telling us कि कैसा दिल नहीं होना चाहिए. What is considered not right? He's saying the sin attaching to the murder of one's mother. If I had anything to do with this, may I be punished like these sinners. The sin attached to the one who murders one's mother, father or son. And to act of setting fire to a cow pen. Right? Gaushala mein. Or a village of the knowers of the divine. कि अगर हम गौशाला में आग लगा दें या जहां ब्रह्म ज्ञानी बैठे हैं उस जगह को आग लगा दें तो जैसा दोष वैसे इंसान को लगना चाहिए वो मुझे लग जाए if I have had anything to do with this. Then he says, no. If I had anything to do with this, may I be punished like the one who slays a woman or a child by administering poison. Or he destroys a friend or a monarch who backstabs a friend or a monarch or a king. May I be put to the same hell like these people. And he says, छोड़ो, चलो ठीक है, ये तो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो गई. हम बोलेंगे हम लोग ये सब थोड़ी करने वाले हैं. उन्होंने बोला, all major and minor sins of thought, word or deed. May I be punished like that. Major or minor sins of thought, word and deed. Many a times we are thought, till it is in your thought and it is not brought to your action, it is okay. ऐसा नहीं है. Right? If it has come to your thought, it has already been sent in the sukshma, vibrations have already been scattered around. Thought, word and deed. हमने बोला ही तो, हमने कुछ करा थोड़ी. बोला ना. See, what happens is that's the irony, and we all learn it the hard way. हम बोल के भूल जाते हैं. The other person relives it every day. मत बोलो. कहते हैं ना, कम बोलो, धीरे बोलो, मीठा बोलो, जहां जरूरत नहीं है वहां मत बोलो, बिकॉज वी डू नॉट नो. एंड देन ही सेइंग आई बी पनिश्ड, मेजर और माइनर सिंस, चाहे वो बड़ा है या छोटा है, चाहे आपके थॉट, वर्ड और डीड से आपने बड़ा अपराध किया या छोटा अपराध किया, अपराध अपराध ही होता है. राइट? सी देयर इज नो ग्रे एरिया हियर. झूठ झूठ ही होता है, सच सच ही होता है, सही सही होता है, गलत गलत ही होता है. हम लोग जो ग्रे एरिया बना देते हैं ना कि इस विषय में हमने ये करा था, नहीं. इट्स सिंपल, वेरी सिंपल. सो ही सेइंग मे आई बी पनिश्ड and sent to the hell of all those people who conduct minor and major sins to thought, word and deed. So thoughts matter, words matter, deeds matter. We have to become very alert, very, 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 कहते ना, ajatyam, like Hanuman ji. Total awareness. How does it come? Comes with practice. कोई भी चीज आसानी से तो आती नहीं है. गिर गिर के उठो, गलती कर करके सुधरेंगे, और तो क्या होगा. Let all such sins be mine, my mother, if I have plotted against this, my dear brother, if I have plotted against my dear brother. मतलब, एंड बोलता है कि अगर मैंने ऐसा किया है, just imagine, he is trying to justify to माँ कौशल्या कि had nothing to do with it. Just imagine, he knows that the entire world, and हमें पता है, later on he'll say, I know Ram and Sita. They know that I had nothing to do with anything to do with this. Other than that, I do not know, because even Lakshman के मन में ये doubt आ गया था. When we go ahead, we'll know that Lakshman was standing with his Gandiv to attack Bharat. कि आने तो दो उनको. And he knows it. He said, other than Ram and Sita, maybe nobody will believe me. कोई बात नहीं. प्रभु तो जानता है ना. See, किस किस को हम समझाएंगे, किस किस को हम बोलेंगे. कहते हैं ना, मेरा सच मेरी आत्मा भी जाने, परमात्मा भी जाने. एंड जब आपका सच आत्मा से आप संतुष्ट हैं और परमात्मा के सामने आपके मन में कोई ग्लानि नहीं है, वेयर देयर इज नो रिग्रेट कि मैंने कुछ गलत करा है, खत्म हो गई बात. नो बडी हैज टू बी टोल्ड अदरवाइज. बाकी जिनको जो सोचना है सोच लो. मेरा सच आत्मा भी जाने, मेरी आत्मा और परमात्मा भी जाने, खत्म. उसके आगे हमें कोई जरूरत नहीं है. तो ओवर हियर ही सेइंग, मे प्रोविडेंस अवॉर्ड मी फेट ऑफ दोज हु forsake द फीट ऑफ श्री हरि एंड लॉर्ड शिव एंड वर्शिप द फ्राइटफुल घोस्ट्स. ऐसा भी होता है ना आजकल. तो इफ वी आर अवेयर ऑफ what all is happening to the world, many a times to get easy gains, we have heard, I do not know whether I'm supposed to be talking about it or not, but we have heard about Illuminati, people selling their souls. बोला कि मेरे को वैसा नर्क मिले माँ. May I be punished to such an extent. May I be punished to such an extent. May I be standing in the lines of those sinners who turned their backs, who stopped worshipping Hari and Shivji and turned towards these demons. And if mother, all this has my approval, if I approved of what has happened in Ayodhya, let me share the terrible fate of those who sell the Vedas. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. And I think आज we have to understand our scriptures are not for sale. Nowadays it has become a business. This much for this course, this much for that course. And unfortunately, that is why even after paying and getting the knowledge, there is a void. क्या शास्त्रों का, क्या वेदों का, क्या ग्रंथों का कोई मोल लगा सकता है? It is not accepted in our, हमारी परंपरा में ग्रंथों के लिए और ज्ञान के लिए, प्रभु के ज्ञान के लिए पैसा लेना वर्जित है. It has become a business nowadays. क्यों? Yes, गुरु दक्षिणा होती थी, स्व इच्छा. That also was not compulsory. Never. So he said, look at it. He's increasing the intensity by saying, may I be punished like those people who are charging for the knowledge of the Vedas, who are selling the Vedas, who are selling the scriptures by charging for it. Again, ये बार बार आएगा. मे आई बी पनिश्ड लाइक दोज बैक बाइटर्स. बैक बाइटिंग, पीठ पीछे किसी के बारे में बोलना. Who expose other people's sin. Backbiting even about the person who is wrong. हमें जो सामने हमारे नहीं है उसके बारे में नहीं बात करनी है. Full stop. It is a sin, whether we like it or not. But then it will be so boring. Over the coffee क्या बात करेंगे? दिन भर हरी हरी तो नहीं कर सकते ना. मुझे नहीं पता क्या बात करेंगे. Any which ways are given to backbiting and expose others' sins who are deceitful, wicked, and quarrelsome. Again, जो हमारे ग्रंथों की निंदा करते हैं. देखिए, चाहे वो साधु हो, संत हो, किसी भी संस्था का क्यों ना हो, we have no rights to talk badly about our scriptures or any other soul, elevated soul also. कोई बात नहीं ना. हमें क्यों बोलना. एंड वी आर वेरी इजी एट जजिंग अ होली पर्सन कि देखो बातें तो ऐसी करता है पर करता तो ये. आपको अंदर की बात पता है क्या? चुप रहो. अगेन, हु एंड सी, लुक एट द ब्यूटी. इट इज सो सूक्ष्म. एवरीथिंग इन आवर लाइफ इज बीइंग कवर्ड बाय भरत जी. कि मे आई बी पनिश्ड लाइक दोज, है ना, हु आर हॉस्टाइल टू द वर्ल्ड, हु आर ग्रीडी, who have a very very extreme. देखिए, हमें मनुष्य का जीवन, हमें गृहस्थ आश्रम योग के लिए मिला है, भोग के लिए नहीं मिला है. चाहे वो भोग is in terms of sexual drive or any other desire. So he's saying, may I be punished like those people then? Right? Again he says, what? May I be punished as those who are excessively greedy and selfish. Excessively greedy and selfish. And then, what does he say? May I be punished as the one who casts his eyes on other people's wealth and wife or spouse. नहीं, कहते हैं ना, देख पराई चोपड़ी क्यों ललचाए जी, रूखी सूखी खाई के ठंडा पानी पी. उसका पैसा उसके पास में, खुश रहो ना. तुम्हारा जो भी है, रूखी सूखी भी है, तो वही तुम्हारी है ना. बट what happens to us? यार काश, कैसे? नहीं, वो भी गलत है. देख पराई चोपड़ी क्यों ललचाए जी, रूखी सूखी खाई के ठंडा पानी पी. खुश रहो ना, जो राम ने दिया है उसमें खुश रहो. आज घर दिया है, कल ना दे तो भी खुश रहो. कहते हैं ना, वो एक हमारे गुरु जी हैं, किरीट भाई जी, बोलते हैं ना, मौज मारे वाह, मौज मारे वाह, मौज मारे वाह रे. हमेशा मौज में रहो. एंड देन ही सेज, may I be punished like those people who shun the path of God realization, who worship not Sri Hari, even though blessed with a human form. See, ये नर्तन हमें नहीं मिलता है बार बार. और हमारा जीवन, the other day I was reading, it is a notion that 50 is middle age, 50 is not middle age. 70 तक तो हमारा स्वाहा हो जाता है, 35 में हम मिडिल एज पहुंच चुके होते हैं. 50 तक तो थोड़ी बची, कितने साल अब. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर व्हेन माय पेरेंट्स वर 50, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दे आर ओल्ड. इन 2-3 years आई विल बी 50. मैं अभी तक यंग हूं. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मनुष्य जीवन मिला है, अब तो समय ही नहीं बचा है. छोड़ो भाई, 35 से मिडिल एज पहुंच गए थे, अब तो देयर इज अ डिक्लाइन नाउ. कोई 60 पहुंचेगा, कोई 70 पहुंचेगा, बहुत 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 किस्मत वाला हो तो 80 पहुंचेगा. बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज टेल द बाल विहार चिल्ड्रन, आई विल लिव टिल 100. सो वन चाइल्ड, पता नहीं उसने बोल रखा है, नहीं आंटी 80 बहुत है. एंड आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ कन्विंसिंग ही सेड, चलो 90, उससे ज्यादा तो नहीं. हद हो गई भाई. सो ही सेइंग, ह्यूमन तन, नर्तन मिला है, अब नहीं तो कब. फिर ये मनुष्य जीवन कब मिलेगा? सो जो इंसान मनुष्य जीवन मिलने के बाद में भी सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, गॉड रियलाइजेशन के जगह ही एंगेजेस हिमसेल्फ इन सेंशुअल प्लेजर्स. तेरी मेरी, यहां घूम लू, वहां घूम लू, ये अकम्प्लिश कर लू, वो अकम्प्लिश, किसको दिखाना है? वॉट आर वी ट्राइंग टू प्रूव टू होम? थमो, रुको, स्टॉप, थिंक. क्या कर रहे हो? हीरा जन्म गवाया, ये हीरा जन्म में वापस नहीं मिलेगा. And by God's grace, we are all blessed. We are comfortably sitting right now. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई अभी कितनी बजी है, हाँ अभी 11:42 हुई है, अब यहां से झाड़ू पोछा करके मुझे दूसरी जगह झाड़ू पोछा करने जाना है. ऐसा नहीं है ना. We have been given everything. Then what is stopping us? So he's saying, may I be punished like those people. जिनने इस हीरे जन्म को गवाया, they have turned their faces away from the Lord, from the realization of the self, from God realization to sensual pleasure. May I be punished like those. And may I be punished like those people who have abandoned the Ved. हमारे ग्रंथों को उनने अबैंडन कर दिया. क्या रे, कई बार हम बोलते हैं ना, हमें क्या पता इसमें क्या लिखा है, these are outdated, छोड़ 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 छोड़, and follow the contrary way. Now this is the new way. ठीक है? Who are imposters and deceive the world by assuming false appearances. देखिए हम सबको, we can fool everybody, but we cannot fool God. And there is no place for imposters. We put on so many faces, and in the process we only forget कि which face is ours. नहीं पता रहता ना. Different situations, different people, different face comes out. कि this situation, this is what is demanded, that situation. And कहते हैं ना, in a very, very, very curt and crude way, उल्लू सीधा करने के लिए हम कुछ भी कर लेते हैं. Anything. No principles are upheld. Nothing is done. What kind of a living are we living? So he says, may I be sent to hell with those people if I had anything to do with this. And Bharat was stopped by Ma Kaushalya कि बंद कर बेटा, मुझे पता है. And you know what she says? The moon may diffuse poison, right? The aquatic creatures may shun water. मछली भी पानी के बिना रह सकती है. And it is possible कि even through the knowledge of the Lord, वैराग्य ना आए. See, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि when we start moving within, वैराग्य does not come. Detachment does not happen. बोला ऐसा हो सकता है, she's saying. But you being against Sri Ram is not possible. Bharat, mat kar, mat bol, band kar. And she hugged them again, both the boys, and all of them broke down once again. All night they cried and lamented. Not blaming anybody. She said, don't blame anybody. Why are you saying again and again that I am responsible? Why was I born to Kekai? Arey Bharat, it was my fate. ये काल है ना, काल and destiny. काल के आगे किसी का कुछ नहीं चलता. Why are you blaming Kekai? It is my destiny. It is my काल. समय सबसे बड़ा है. समय के आगे कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता. समय के आगे झुकना ही पड़ता है. किसी को क्यों दोष देना, किसी को क्यों दोष देना. मत बोलो किसी के बारे में भरत, ना तू दोषी ना तेरी माँ दोषी. समय का खेल है ये. एंड इट इज वेरी डीप. जिस दिन हमें ये समझ आ जाए ना कि ये सब समय का खेल है, दुनिया कितनी अच्छी हो जाए. कटुता मन में बचे ही ना. एंड देन ये सब हो रहा है. एंड देन गुरु वशिष्ठ एंड वामदेव कम. They say it is time now. And through proper, it is mentioned and with a lot of emphasis कि पूरे विधि विधान के साथ the body was washed, the bodies जो भी रिचुअलिस्टिकली वेद में लिखा था उस कर्म कांड के हिसाब से राजा दशरथ को तैयार किया गया. The best of the sandalwood was gathered and it seemed as though the place where he was going to be burned was just reaching the heavens, कि बस यहाँ से वो सीधा ऊपर निकल जाएंगे. Bharat spent all those 10, 13, 12 days. He made sure that everything was done to the perfection because he did not want the soul to suffer after that. Whatever has to be given, whatever had to be taken, whatever rice and til had to be offered, whatever daan in the name of the soul had to be given, was given by Bharat. It is said that thousands and thousands of Shesh could not describe the wholeheartedness with which Bharatji had done the last rites of his beloved father. देखिए, we can become as modern as we want to. But there is always a science behind every ritual of ours. Just because we do not know why it is done, that does not mean that it is wrong and we can negate it. शास्त्रों में जो लिखा है उसके पीछे बहुत बड़ा कारण होता है. And over here it's mentioned, वेद अनुसार, शास्त्र अनुसार, भरत मेड श्योर विद गुरु आज्ञा, वशिष्ठ वामदेव जैसे वो बोलते जा रहे थे, भरत उससे 100 गुना ज्यादा करते जा रहे थे अपने पिताजी के लिए. And then after all that this, the shuddhi happened, right? After somebody passes away, then shuddhi happened, they came to the castle, sab baithe, the talk started happening, कि अब क्या किया जाए? What should we do? So Guru Vashisht the na. Nowadays we don't have gurus to guide us. So over here when everybody is down, everybody is beaten, nobody is able to think straight. Who is the one who has taken charge? Guru. Right? क्या गुरु वशिष्ठ को पहले से नहीं पता था क्या होने वाला है? सब पता था. वो तो कब से थे. He has always been there. He was the one who said, I cannot wait enough. So पहले त्रेता आएगा फिर द्वापर आएगा. राम पहले आएंगे. If you want me to go down from Satyug, it is my only demand that Treta will come before Dwapar. तो मैं जाता हूं, नहीं तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. ऐसे गुरु वशिष्ठ. He's standing there and he started talking about all the good Raja Dashrath had done. Everything that had happened. He spoke and spoke and spoke. And finally, he got a little overwhelmed. थोड़ा सा उनका दिल भारी हुआ. And this is very beautiful. There are a lot of verses I had marked, but I did not want to break the flow. But this verse, it says, सुनो हो भरत भावी प्रबल. And this is very famous. सुनो हो भरत भावी प्रबल, बिलखी कहे मुनिनाथ, हानि लाभ जीवन मरणु, जशु अपजशु विधि हाथ. हो नहार भावी प्रबल, बिलखी कहे मुनिनाथ, हानि लाभ जीवन मरण, यश अपयश विधि के हाथ में होता है. क्या? गेन, लॉस, डेथ एंड बर्थ, एंड फेम एंड डिफेम. इट इज ओनली इन द हैंड्स ऑफ फेथ, डेस्टिनी. इसका कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता है भरत. किसी के हाथ में नहीं है. And if we are able to internalize this one thing from our Ramcharitramanas, I think our job is done. It is so beautiful. Is it possible? And saying this, he says, why are you lamenting? Raja Dashrath is so divine, he is so great. See, अब किसके मृत्यु पे दुख होना चाहिए आपको? This is very important. Everybody's death is not to be lamented. If a person has lived his life righteously, has been serving everybody till his last breath, has been wise and of use to everybody, तो उनकी death पे कोई lamentation नहीं है. There is no agony that should be caused. Yes, we cry because yes, we're going to miss the person, but there is no agony. They lived a good life of service and helping everybody. The righteous life was lived by Raja Dashrath. ऐसा क्या था जो उनने नहीं करा? And not only this, he got sons, all 4 sons like you. Ram, Bharat, Lakshman and Shatrughan. Each, किसी का एक बच्चा होता है, किसी के 2 बच्चे अच्छे होते हैं. उनके तो चारों ही बच्चे भगवान की तरह थे. तो he was blessed. Bharat, don't lament. Why should you hold any agony when Raja Dashrath? तो फिर किसकी मृत्यु पे दुख होना चाहिए? आपको थोड़ी सी चिंता होनी चाहिए. उसकी who did not live a righteous life. तब तो आपको दुख होगा ना, because then you will feel इनने जीवन तो सही नहीं जिया, निंदा की, बुराई की, है ना, अपने पास में जो था वो किसी को दिया नहीं, जीवन अच्छे से जिया नहीं. अब आफ्टर लाइफ में क्या होने वाला है इनके साथ में? कभी समय मिले या किसी गरुड़ पुराण हम घर में पढ़ते नहीं है, पर when somebody passes away, it is a ritual that गरुड़ पुराण पढ़ी जाती है, and वो बैठ के सुननी चाहिए. एक बार हमने गरुड़ पुराण सुन ली ना, हम जीना जीना सीख लेंगे. What cause, which sin causes what behavior causes what, and this is normally done when somebody passes away. आजकल तो people don't want to hear it only. जैसे नहीं गरुड़ पुराण नहीं रखो, गीता रखवा लो भाई, because it is scary to listen to what Garud Puran has to say. And we say कि नहीं हमारे में कुछ ऐसा लिखा हुआ नहीं है. कैसे नहीं लिखा हुआ है? कैसे चलना चाहिए, कैसे बैठना चाहिए, कैसे सांस लेनी चाहिए, वो भी लिखी हुई है. Everything is mentioned to the great detail. वो बात अलग है कि we don't want to hear it because we get scared. So whom should you lament for? ना गुरु वशिष्ठ बोल रहे किसके लिए आपको दुख होना चाहिए? उसके लिए जिसने जीवन सही तरीके से नहीं जिया हो. He was not righteous, he was not giving, he was not loving. He lived a selfish life for himself, his body, his bodily relations. Thought, word and deed में अलाइन नहीं था. मनुष्य जीवन व्यर्थ करके चला गया. नाउ व्हाट इज द वरी कि इसको आफ्टर लाइफ में क्या होगा, जब वो पितृलोक में जाएंगे या बीच में होंगे, उनकी आत्मा को कितनी अशांति अभी मिल रही होगी. द मेंशन इज देयर इन गरुड़ पुराण. हाउ द सोल सफर्स. सो ही सेज कि राजा भरत को तो, राजा दशरथ को तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ही लिव्ड अ वेरी राइचियस लाइफ. सो यू शुड नॉट cry over his demise. Yes, it is a great loss, but there's nothing to be agonized about. It's not pitiable. So what is pitiable? Who is pitiable? Again, this session is just the opposite of the previous session, previous to previous session, jahan pe we said, whose heart is worth living in. Now again, Guru Vashisht goes on. He says, kaun hai pitiable? Who should be pitied? राजा दशरथ शुड नॉट बी पिटीड. ठीक है, हो गया, सिचुएशन ऐसी थी, समय ऐसा था कि ये सब हो गया, बट ही इज नॉट पिटिएबल. हु इज पिटिएबल देन? देखिए, इन आवर स्क्रिप्चर्स वी माइट से दैट कास्टिज्म था. नहीं, वो नहीं है. इट वॉज बेस्ड ऑन वॉट द पर्सन डज, राइट? द नोअर ऑफ ब्रह्म, दैट डिवाइन वॉज नोन एज ब्राह्मण, राइट? एज पर योर वर्क you were assigned a certain name, right? So over here he's saying a Brahmin. Brahmin कौन है? Not by birth. A Brahmin is a person who is knower of the divine. जो ब्रह्म को जान गया है वो ब्राह्मण. Who is ignorant to the Vedas. प्रभु को जानने के बाद में भी आपको वेद नहीं पढ़ने हैं, ठीक है? Who has abandoned his own beauty and is engrossed in sensual pleasures. प्रभु को जानने के बाद में कौन pitiable है? In spite of knowing the truth, that Brahmin who is engrossed in the pleasures of this futile little world, he is pitiable. Who is ignorant to the Vedas. And then again, सबकी ड्यूटी अलग अलग है. इसमें then the Kshatriya, who is pitiable, the king who has the entire knowledge of politics, सब कुछ है, उनको सब पता है, पर he does not love his people. He is pitiable. राजा दशरथ ने तो जान न्यौछावर करते थे अपने प्रजा पे. प्रजा was like his son. So he is not pitiable, but a king who has no love, or a minister or a prime minister who does not care about his praja, that person is pitiable. Then again, who is pitiable? The traders. And now they are assuming that all traders and all the people, Vaishyas, are very rich, that trading class. And they are so selfish. In spite of their riches, they are not willing to share it. They are pitiable. राजा दशरथ थोड़ी pitiable थे कि जो बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, काम कर रहे हैं, उनके पास में है और देना नहीं चाहते, वो pitiable है भाई. राजा दशरथ pitiable नहीं थे, है ना? Again who? Again शूद्र, the laboring class. उस हिसाब से जो वो काम कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद में भी they are disrespectful towards the knowers of Brahman. They are disrespectful towards the knowledgeable. They don't love and honor. Then they are pitiable. Raja Dashrath was not pitiable. Pitiable again is a spouse who deceives his own wife or husband. Again, crooked and quarrelsome जो लोग होते हैं ना, जो कहते हैं ना, there is one beautiful thing, आओ जंग करें हम, आओ जंग करें हम, शांति से बैठे उनको तंग करें हम. They have some people just want to fight for no reason. कि यू नो आज बहुत दिन हो गए किसी से लड़ाई नहीं हो, क्वारलसम विदाउट एनी, दे आर क्रुक्स एंड दे आर क्वारलसम, दोज पीपल आर पिटिएबल बिकॉज इट इज नॉट गुड टू फाइट. क्यों लड़ना है, शांति से रहो ना. एंड दे आर पिटिएबल ही सेइंग. And pitiable are the religious students who break their vows and obey not the orders of their guru. अगर आपके पास में किसी को आपने अपना गुरु बना लिया है, या तो आप गुरु मत बनो, है ना, सीधी सी बात है. इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट यू टेक दीक्षा एंड दैट मंत्र एंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम समबडी. डोंट टेक इट ना, नोबडी इज फोर्सिंग. बट इफ and people go guru shopping also. No, initially I thought I'll make this my guru, but then I'm not satisfied, so किसी और को मैंने गुरु बना दिया. एक बार गुरु बना लिया आपने, दीक्षा ले ली, खत्म हो गई बात. Then you follow orders. If guru says गला काट के देना है तो दो, नहीं तो किसी को अपना गुरु मत बनाओ. Pitiable is that person who does not follow the orders of his guru. Now pitiable is the householder. बहुत प्यारी सी बात है. See, everybody has a task assigned to them. In this beautiful carpet that this world is, every strand is important to make it beautiful, right? Everybody, like we are mothers, somebody is working in an organization, somebody is a father, everybody has been given a job, right? जो जिसका काम है वो अच्छा लगता है वही करते हुए. ऐसा नहीं होता कि no, I am a mother, I have had children, but now I'm going to just leave my children and walk the spiritual path. क्यों? Pitiable is the householder who out of ignorance forsakes the path of duty. नहीं, कहते ना, ना जग छोड़ो ना हरि भूलो, कर्म कर जिंदगानी में, जियो दुनिया में यो जैसे कमल रहता है पानी में. ये हमारा नहीं है, ये बौद्ध धर्म में था. जब शंकराचार्य जी आए, ही रियलाइज कि सब घर छोड़ के, बच्चों को छोड़ के भाग रहे. कहाँ भाग रहे हो, क्यों संन्यास ले रहे हो? जब आश्रम में हो, गृहस्थ आश्रम में हो, you have dependents on you. What right do you have to forsake them and run away? What knowledge will you get in the jungle which you won't get over here? So pitiable is that person, our scriptures say, who shun their duty and forsake because of ignorance their householders' duty. And at the same breath he says, pitiable is the recluse, वो सन्यासी जो प्रपंच में पड़ जाता है. Everybody has a duty. They should follow the duty. If there is a householder, you don't run away from your duties. That is not what our scriptures teach. Many people run an arm length away the minute the scriptures are talked about. आपको जीवन जीना सिखा रहे हैं. You'll be a better mom, better wife, better बहू, a better human being in संसार. ये थोड़ी होगा कि आप संसार को छोड़ के भाग जाओगे. नहीं. See, and at the same breath, that recluse who is not वानप्रस्थ आश्रम में है, सब हो गया है, and still you are unable to live your life with dispassion, that is a person who's pitiable. And this is beautiful. हर जने का काम बांट रखा है. आपको प्रभु ने जहां रखा है वो आप अच्छे से करिए ना. Make your work, make what you are doing तपस्या. कहीं भागना नहीं है. And pitiable is that tapasvi who has given up penance, develop a liking for luxuries. होता है ना कि तपस्वी है, सब छोड़ दिया, सब कर लिया, सब हमने कर लिया है, पर नहीं, अभी भी मन में इच्छाएं हैं. एंड आजकल बहुत ऐसे हैं, है ना, मुंह में राम और मन में क्या क्या. Pitiable is the backbiter, and ये बार बार हमारे scriptures में आएगा. It is condemned. Backbiting is condemned. I think it is mentioned more than any other sin. Pitiable is the backbiter who is angry without a cause. कई लोग होते हैं ना, कोई कारण ही नहीं पर हम गुस्सा है सबसे. अरे क्यों भाई, कोई कारण ही नहीं पर बुराई कर लेते चलो, without a cause. And an enemy of his own parents, है ना. और कि सबकी बुराई, सबको चपेट में लेंगे. थोड़ा इसकी करेंगे, थोड़ी उसकी करेंगे, थोड़ी इसकी करेंगे, थोड़ी उसकी भी कर लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. गुरु की भी बुराई हो जाती है, टीचर्स की भी बुराई आ जाती है. टुडे वी लुक एट स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम स्कूल कमिंग एंड बैड माउथिंग देयर टीचर्स. अरे ठीक है, नोबडी इज परफेक्ट, बट कुछ तो नॉलेज आपको उनसे मिली है ना. डोंट बैड माउथ. कुछ अच्छा नहीं है बोलने के लिए तो बुरा तो मत बोलो, चुप रहो. Very difficult, because then life has no spice. There's nothing to talk about. But whatever is written in the Ramayana, I'm just narrating. Pitiable in every way is he who harms others, cherishes his own body, and is exceedingly heartless. ये पिटिएबल है. राजा दशरथ थोड़ी थे. ये तो अपनी ट्रेजरी खोल के खड़े हो जाते थे, रणने देवों के लिए चले जाते थे. इनका अगर बस में होता तो अपने आप को अपनी प्रजा के लिए खाली कर देते, खड़े हो जाते, नीलाम कर देते. ऐसे थे राजा दशरथ. एंड वी, आवर बॉडी एंड आवर बॉडीली रिलेशंस, एंड उनके लिए हमारा दिल धड़कता है. हम बहुत नरम है. वी कैन डू एनीथिंग फॉर माई चाइल्ड, बट वेन एन अदर बेगर इज देयर राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम, हम सोचेंगे कि इसको दें या नहीं दें, क्या पता पैसा सही जगह जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा. हार्टलेस हो जाते हैं. उस समय हमारे को बहुत एनालिसिस करना पड़ता है उस 10 रुपए के लिए भी. ठीक है, सही है. You should know where the money is going, where it is coming from. इसे कहते हैं ना कि see, it is very, very good and very easy to be compassionate over the coffee table. Because there's no action required, right? Plain faff है, बोलो आराम से. इतना हो रहा है, सीरिया में हो रहा है, यूक्रेन में हो रहा है, इजराइल में हो रहा है, सब जगह हो रहा है. I'm so sad. I saw that the refugees, the boat flipped. It is nice to be sad, but it is not compassion. Because compassion without, there is no feeling sad, without action is not compassion. When you feel it, there should be action immediately. It is then it is compassion. And ऐसा नहीं है. When this beautiful hummingbird saw the fire in the jungle, right? बहुत प्यारी सी छोटी सी कहानी है. And she said, my jungle is burning. Hummingbird क्या हो, एक बूंद पानी आता उसके चोंच में, उससे ज्यादा आ भी नहीं सकता था. She said, it is okay. Everybody is standing. The elephants are standing. The giraffe is standing. People, such big trunks, and the orangutans, you can carry buckets and buckets, are standing in the corner watching my jungle burn. मैं तो छोटी सी चिड़िया हूं. नहीं. She started flying from the place where there was fire to the lake. She carried one drop back to the fire, one drop back to the fire. And she kept doing this till one elephant with his huge trunk stopped her. बोले क्या कर रही हो? बोले I'm trying to put the fire off. बोलो who are you? Your wings are so small. तुम्हारी चोंच इतनी छोटी है. One drop of water तो पूरा आता नहीं है, तुम आग बुझाओगी? She said, listen, I am doing the best I can. And that is what each and every one of us should do. I am doing the best I can. Don't be heartless. उठो. Each one of us can make a difference. Otherwise, हम भी वो pitiable लोगों की श्रेणी में आ जाएंगे after we die. बोलेंगे हाँ, his death, yes, pitiable. Not, the Lord of Kosala is not worth grieving for. His glory is being manifested through all the 14 spears. Raja Dashrath ki glory was flying through all the 14 spears. There never was, nor is, nor shall be hereafter a monarch like your father, O Bharat. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh or Indra and the guardians of the quarters are singing his praises. That is King Dashrath. That is your father. He is not to be pitied. His death is not to be pitied. सोचो, ना तो हम जीना जानते हैं, ना हम मरना जानते हैं. ना ढंग से जिए, ना ढंग से मरे. फिर क्या जिए और क्या मरे? अभी भी समय है. कुछ साल तो हैं अभी भी, राइट? देर नहीं हुई है. 1 साल ही तो गया ना अभी. Only 1 year has gone by, right? अगला साल आएगा. With this thought in our mind, and this beautiful description in our hearts, we close the class today and close this beautiful year. A thought-provoking message. If we can hold on to it, बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं. हम बोलते रहेंगे. कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान, जय हनुमान।